Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we will be seeing about mostly on the analysis of the stocks that we have discussed so far. So this presentation will tell us on the returns on investment based on the stocks we have discussed, and also their current market price and how it looks like overall at the portfolio level. So we have, as you know, that we have suggested so far 7 stocks. So in this 1 year, we have covered 7 stocks, and let's now see how it is being performed, and then what is the ROI overall. So moving on to the next slide. So this is the 7 stocks that we have discussed so far. So it looks all green, at least out of 7, 6 are in green. So more than the green, the ROI percentage is really encouraging. Yeah, Jindal Steel and Birla Soft, exceptionally, they have 60% plus, and followed with Exide and Cipla. They are 40% close to. I mean, more than 40%, both Exide and Cipla, and with Tata Chemicals followed at 6%, and the last one, which is in red, is Chambal Fertilizers. So we started, as you know, that we started this channel on 12th July, and Chambal Fertilizers was the first stock we picked. But unfortunately, it's in green. Sorry, it's in red. It's minus 8%. However, the moment we suggested or we discussed the stock, it went till 350 rupees. But there on, there was a fall, and it is currently at 270. But overall, at the chemicals sector, if you see even Tata Chemicals, Chambal Fertilizers, Rain Industries, so there are few chemical companies still, not participated in the Nifty rally, though the Nifty is at around 90,000 plus. Still their valuations, their price to earning or the price to book value is at, kind of undervaluation for the chemical sector overall. So I hope, soon this sector also will join the party, and then we'll start, we'll start the uptrend. So let's hope for the best for Chambal Fertilizers as well. So keeping aside that, when we check on other stocks, this looks really encouraging. Cipla, mostly we did based on the technical charts that we analyzed. There was a strong support at around 860 ranges. So from there, as expected, it bounced back, and it is now at 1200. Even Cipla, recently they announced the results. Results were really good, and also there is a news that promoters are going to sell the stake, some percentage, and Blackstone is eyeing to buy that stake. So that is again a positive news. And from it was around 1170 last week, and last 2 days it buzzed to 1200. That's because of that news. And Birla Soft, again, it's a kind of a mid cap IT sector that is also doing good. It's pretty decent results. Overall, the IT sector have not posted very great numbers, but Birlasoft in that pack has have given a very decent number, and that's the reason the stock has joined the rally. And then Exide, still it has run up to 40%, but still it has some more to go when we compare with valuation. And Jindal Steel, again, it has gone to 67%, but still, at least when we compare with valuation, I feel that it has to go more, and same with CESC. So overall, if we see, we just did a math, like say we have such as 7 stocks, and if we had invested say 10K in each of the stock, 10,000 bucks per, in each of the stock, our portfolio as of say 4th August, that's yesterday, it will be around 92,000, which is say 32% returns in less than a year. So we started, like say, discussing these by say 12th July, and there were some 3 stocks suggested only this year: Exide, Cipla, and Tata Chemicals. So on an average, it has given 32% in less than a year, which is pretty good, decent returns from the stock market. So hopefully, as a next step, I would say, at least from Birlasoft or Cipla, it's almost kind of getting into mid valuation range where the price to earning is around say 30. It's kind of probably in another 1 or 2 weeks, if the same uptrend continues, it might get into overvalued. But still, all these 7 stocks, when it comes to the long term, we can still hold, but probably, based on the risk of the from the investor side, they can start booking some partial profits in the stocks that are bit getting overvalued, like say Birlasoft or the Cipla. So again, just want to reiterate that hopefully, this on a long-term view, all these stocks should fare well. Again, there could be some dip. Definitely, it just cannot continue at one side. Obviously, there will be some dip, and Nifty is getting corrected. It went close to 20,000, and now it is again it has coming down. So there will be some downtrend on these stocks as well. But when it comes to the long term view, we can hope to have some good run on all these seven stocks. So with this said, we are coming to the end of the session. So hopefully this green image continues, and we'll soon come up with some other set of stocks, and see you in next video. Thanks all. Bye bye. Stay safe.